With your pattern ready, let's bring it to life through fabric. Begin by cutting all your pieces as indicated on the pattern. For the main body, you'll be using 4 different materials, and for each one, you'll cut 2 mirror pieces, one for each side. To make it easier, fold your fabric with right sides together and cut both layers at once. This gives you perfect mirror shape with minimal effort. And here's something really important: the fusible fleece. This layer is more than just structure, it's your guide. When cutting your fleece, make sure to be extra precise. And don't forget to mark the notches directly on it, because we are using crepe satin for the outer body, which can be a bit slippery. The fleece will stabilize it during construction. Once fused, those clearly marked notches on the fleece will guide you perfectly for both draping and final sewing. So take your time here. Neat cuts and well-placed markings on the fleece will set you up for a much smoother process later. Let's move on to the next step and start shaping the purse.